Escrow. The funds were held in escrow until all the terms of the agreement were met. Eviction. Eviction. The landlord issued an eviction notice due to unpaid rent. Property manager. Property manager. The property manager handles maintenance requests from tenants. Amortization. Amortization. The mortgage loan was structured with a 30-year amortization period. Zoning. Zoning. The property's zoning allows for both residential and commercial use. Depreciation. Depreciation. The depreciation of the property's value over time was a concern for the buyers. Equity loan. Equity loan. They took out an equity loan to fund their home renovation. Lease. Lease. They signed a lease agreement for a 2-bedroom apartment. Subdivision. Subdivision. The large piece of land was divided into smaller subdivisions for housing. Condominium. Condominium. They decided to invest in a condominium for a convenient urban lifestyle. Real estate agent. Real estate agent. The real estate agent helped them find a suitable property. Down payment. Down payment. They paid a significant down payment when buying the house. Foreclosure. Foreclosure. The bank initiated foreclosure proceedings on the property. Equity. Equity. Over the years, they built up a substantial amount of equity in their home. Rental. Rental. The monthly rental for the apartment includes utilities. Title. Title. The lawyer reviewed the title deed to ensure clear ownership. Closing costs. Closing costs. They were surprised by the high closing costs when finalizing the purchase. Renovation. Renovation. They planned to do a complete renovation of the kitchen. Property. Property. The real estate agent showed us several properties in the city. Mortgage. Mortgage. They decided to take out a mortgage to buy their dream home. Appraisal. Appraisal. The bank requested an appraisal of the property before approving the loan. Lease agreement. Lease agreement. The lease agreement outlined the terms and conditions of the rental. tenant, tenant. The tenant reported a leaking faucet to the landlord. Landlord, landlord. The landlord increased the rent for the apartment. Housing market, housing market. The housing market in the city is quite competitive.